To add Google Analytics to a Wix website, first you must upgrade your Wix account to a premium plan. Also, you must connect a domain. To add Google Analytics, go to Marketing and SEO. Then scroll down until you see Marketing Integration. From here, you'll be able to add Google Analytics, the Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, Google Ads, and more. We're going to click on Connect under Google Analytics. You'll notice some directions here on how to connect the Google Analytics account to your Wix website, and you could follow those if you need. What we will do is click Connect Google Analytics. Now, you must have the Google Analytics account set up already in order to get your UA code, but once you set your Google Analytics account up, you'll go to Admin, then click Tracking Info, then Tracking Code. You'll see your UA code or the tracking ID here, and you'll want to copy and paste that into this section right here. Then click Save. To delete a Google Analytics account from a Wix website, click on the three dots here, then select Delete, and confirm Delete.